Ni sewing ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko chaksoa anga Alicia A Sangma na simang na dal Koborrang ko parakatinga. Kata bichongrang VP Commission of Inquiry ko Assembly o parakatanga. Dr. Mukul Sangma NIA ba CBI na dabyanga. Anti-infiltration awareness campaign ko 8 meter takanga. Interstate gangrang ko rupmamat na. Chigumukpa Koborrang Adok Sarkari Nati VP One-Man Commission of Inquiry HNLC ni former General Secretary ni suotani report ko jiko August Jani ko sa tarik ko hazagni kuriksa nga yung report ko Assembly o autumn session is kang gapasalo parakatanga ha. Koborrang agaparang baksagol puanios kotong Minister Shikoner K Sangma VP Inquiry report ni gaman agan talatanga.
These kind of operations, one has to understand, are made under a lot of pressure. There is a time pressure, there is a pressure of worry that maybe the bomb has already been planted somewhere. There is a pressure of the fact that what else could happen. So you are working under tremendous pressure with time very limited and not knowing what's going to happen next. These situations must be taken into consideration while this happened. So yes, you're right. So they are trained well to do all these kind of things. They planned it well. But as I said, it's not always that in situations like these, everything will go as planned and as they desire. But as I said, the situation happened, and based on that, we have come out with this. And now we have to give a hearing, and explanation will be called from the officials who are involved in this, especially of the Tactical Team 1. And based on that, we will proceed further.
All India Trinamool Congress ni Dilgapa Dr. Mukul Sangma, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly or National Investigation Agency NIA, our Central Bureau of Investigation CBI, Police Rang ni Kamka ni Biding o Jenny Asil Ban o Guman HNLC ni former General Secretary ni Suota ni Obosta nga yani Guman am Sandia ni ko dakang Guman report ko dabyanga. Dr. Mukul Sangma modus operandi ba Police Rang ni Kamka ni Biding o singa ni ko dakanga, je ko wal jatio dakanga. Waaga nga ha sakprak police rang niyam ko jarake sa plak kamrang ko khatna nga aru mukhang china janap government agency rang na dakpa kham ko onja khan aga nga.
No, the question here is whether they wanted to arrest him or they wanted to kill him. The demand for inquiry is for that, whether they wanted to arrest him or they wanted to kill him. If they would have been able to arrest him, they would have got further more information. They would have been able to enrich themselves with further more inputs, which are crucial for the internal security of the state and the nation.
Joy Anti-Infiltration Special Squad aro Framel Police Rang Mandirang na Public Awareness Campaign Program ko Framero Mandirang na Wigija Mandirang ko dingtang kamnar songoba District Headquarter Rango Rakhianio Smsak Chinagataw nga tanga. Campaign ong mutungo julma ko kamna Rakhinas kangle karang ko am Chinaga nga jito ko diwamang India asong magapana asong nyo nga ani masigen. Yarago Smsak cha ade jaman China datla Niknikan yung gen ene uyatanga. Ya campaign no bakra agapasong ni Defense Party, Nokma arulbula o dongeng kapa Executive Committee ni memberang Police Running Director General Dr. L.R. Bishnoy ya awareness program mo bakra ang gaparang na akademya ni katarang kuha ka nga. Nangreme aro nami amsandya ni ko dake West Garo Hills District Executive Force, Meghalaya Police, gari ke isa aro chao gaparang ni dol kurumaha. Wamang chao gaman gari rang ni lekharang ko ba tulit hari gapo nga aro indaki lekhat hari wamang gapan na adok rango na gari ko palatrong achim. Ya dul ni mandirang sakatam ko police rang maha. Wamang ni gari aro bike ni ko am sandian ko dakon police rang laptop iktam mobile phone iktam singer iktam chigni ATM card chagni sotpongagni PCV card bike isa ATM card reader tulit hari gapa registration certificate driving license aro gapan tuli aronyam kosa ko hari gapa bosturang ko manaha. Daon dapit ya am sandiani namen chusokenga aro chugumak Dirchasa chibi chauguman gari rang ko manpalaha aro ya kamojak tonging pasak sotprichet mandirang ko bar maha aro tangkala khulgrukni ko ba manaha. Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing pasakantikon matela.